Hello kitchen queens. Welcome to the video. I will be showing few habits to keep your kitchen sparkling clean and organized. While chopping or peeling veggies, keep bin or plate aside and start putting the waste directly on that. It will keep your countertop clean and will save your time. Also, you can get this kind of over-the-door garbage bag holder and start collecting the waste directly in it. Wash the chopping board and knives immediately after use, otherwise the food residues will get dry in some time and it will be hard to wash them later. Also, it attracts bacteria to grow. Wash the blender immediately after usage. It takes only 30 to 50 seconds extra, which saves significant time later. Immediate wash will prevent food residues to get accumulated on the blade. Once the remaining residues dries up, it is difficult to clean, and it also leaves stains on the blade. After the use, pour some water with few drops of dish soap and blend it. The blender will be cleaned easily without any efforts. Now, just wash it with normal tap water and leave it to dry. Whenever you get your monthly grocery, just organize it right away. Transfer the grains in the designated containers and keep rest of the stocks in the pantry cabinet, as the bags will keep your kitchen space clutter. One of the most ignored kitchen appliance is microwave. Any leftover stains and spillages can cause cross-contamination. Just give a wipe immediately if you see any stains in the microwave. Also, do a deep cleaning once or twice in a month. Don't place random items over microwave oven. It makes your kitchen clutter, and it is also dangerous to keep over it. Use space organizer like micro oven stand, which gives you more space to keep multiple items over it. Also, it comes with hooks where you can hang your spatula, spoons, oven gloves, and pot holders at the same place. It helps you to reach your items easily. Do not leave snack packets open. Clip them after opening or shift them into the container to avoid wastage and accidental spillage. While making rotis, spread a clean kitchen towel under the chakla. It helps in two ways. First, chakla will not move from its place while rolling chapati. Second, all the dry flour will be collected on the kitchen towel, which helps in cleaning later. Always keep back the food containers and dishes to the designated cabinets right away after usage. It prevents unnecessary clutter on the countertop. Just give a wipe to spice container, oil container, and fridge handle after you are done with your cooking. Many times, we touch them while cooking, and they get stained with food. Quick wipe will keep your kitchen stain-free and reduces a deep cleaning efforts later. If you really do not want to see any unwanted pests like cockroaches and rats in your house, then always wash your utensils before going to bed in the night. One of the nastiest items often seen is the scrubber that is used to wash utensils. After washing utensils, forgetting to rinse the soap container and scrubber will attract bacteria and foul smell in the kitchen. Use this kind of microfiber cloths and sponge pads in the kitchen, as they are efficient in cleaning and dry fast. Please rinse them properly after each use and leave them to dry, and give them a detergent and hot water wash once in a week. If kept dirty, they may attract bacteria and other unwanted pests, which surely you do not want to see in your kitchen. After cleaning the dishes, never place wet dishes inside the cabinet. Water, which can ruin your wooden cabinets and invites unwanted pests. Wait until they get air dry and rearrange them in cabinets, which needs strict discipline. Always place back the dishes at the designated places. Clean your cook countertop and tiles in the night after finishing your dinner. It not only helps keeping the pests away from the kitchen, but you will also feel good seeing the clean kitchen in the morning. It helps increasing your efficiency and speed up the morning cooking routine. Thanks for watching the art tips and tricks. Hope it is useful and you enjoyed it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe us. You can also find the product links at the description.